Hello students, here we are with the solution of the exercises for the chapter adverbs. Okay, so there are 4 exercises and one by one we will be trying to understand how to solve them. First one, exercise A, the heading says underline the how adverbs in these sentences. Okay, that is we have to ask the question how, and the answers that we get we have to underline that. Okay, we have to ask the question how to the verb, the action. Let us look at the first one. The students solved the sums easily. What is the action? What is the verb? Solved. Okay, students solved the sums easily. So students solved is the action, solve kar liya. So the students solved the sums. How? Or we can ask, the students solved. How did they solve? Easily, isn't it? So easily is the adverb and we have to underline that. We have to ask the question how to the verb, to the action, and whatever answer we get, that is adverb, how adverbs. Okay, now next one, my brother dressed smartly for the party. What is the verb? What is the action here? Dressed. ड्रेस अब कर लिया, तैयार हो गए. ठीक है. सो माई ब्रदर ड्रेस्ड हाउ? स्मार्टली. कैसे ड्रेसअप किया? स्मार्टली. सो दैट इज द एडवर्ब एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टू underline it. So in this way you have to solve this exercise. Okay, now let us go to exercise B. Circle the when adverbs. Now here we have to circle the when adverbs. वो पहले वाला how adverbs था. We are asking the question how to the verb. Here is the when adverbs. We have to ask the question when to the verb, to the action. Now let us look at the examples. I couldn't go to the carnival yesterday. अब what is the verb here? Couldn't go. नहीं जा सके. Okay, so I couldn't go when? Yesterday. Isn't it? I couldn't go when? Yesterday. So yesterday is the answer for when. So we have to encircle yesterday. Okay, in the same way, let's hurry as our train leaves soon. Okay, our train, what is the action here? Leaves. ठीक है, leaves मतलब जा रहा है. Okay, that is the action word, that is the verb. So our train leaves when? Soon. Okay, our train leaves when? Kab? Soon. So soon is the when adverb. So we have to encircle soon. Okay, this is how we have to ask the question when and solve the exercise. Let us go to the third exercise, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the where adverbs from the box. अब इसमें है where adverbs. पहला वाला how adverb, we are asking question how. Second वाला when adverbs, we are asking question when. यहाँ पे we have to ask the question where and we have to choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. 2 have been done. There is dust and pollution. There is dust and pollution. Where? So dust and pollution, it is everywhere. So that is why we will choose everywhere from the box and write everywhere. Okay, then the children's bedroom is dash. The children's bedroom is where? So upstairs. Okay, the children's bedroom is where? Upstairs. So we are asking the question where and the correct answer we are choosing from the box and we are writing in the blanks. Now it can happen that some words can go to other blanks also. Okay, there are some words you have to read the sentence very carefully and choose the most correct word from the help box and fill in the blanks. Okay students, now this is how you have to solve the exercise C. Let us go to exercise D. The heading says underline the verbs and circle the adverbs in these sentences. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to underline the verb. What is the action? We have to underline और उससे उसके बारे में बताता हुआ जो adverb है we have to encircle that. Okay, now Shobha danced gracefully. What is the action here? Verb क्या है? Danced. Shobha danced how? Gracefully. So gracefully is telling about the action. So we will underline danced and we will encircle gracefully. Okay, then everyone listened attentively to the Prime Minister's speech. Here what is the verb? Listened. सुन रहे थे, है ना? सुना उन्होंने. So that is the action. Now everyone listened how? attentively, carefully, attentively. So attentively is telling something about the action listened. So we have to underline the verb listened and circle the adverb attentively. Okay students, this is how you have to solve this exercise D. Okay, I hope you are clear with how to solve the exercises, and I'll be sending you soon the answers of all these exercises. Okay, stay home, stay safe.